dream big! Kasi next time kayo naman ang kakanta dito.
Who wants to be a singer? Who wants to be a singer?
Yan. And you will become a star like Kuya Mateo.
A star like Ate Sarah.
Actually, lahat naman tayo ay mga stars.
Asia's pop star royalty na si Sarah Geronimo at mister nito na si Matteo Guidicelli magkasamang nagpasaya sa mga bata sa ginanap na Landers Magical Moment sa Bacolod. Nitong Sabado September 6 ay ginanap ang Kids Magical Moment sa Landers Superstore sa Bacolod kung saan ay maraming pinasayang mga bata ang mag-asawang Sarah Geronimo at Matteo Guidicelli. Mula sa mga nakapunta sa nasabing event ay kanilang ibinahagi sa publiko ang mga kaganapan kung saan mapapanood sa mga video na talagang napaka-sweet at malapit sa puso ni Sarah at Matteo ang mga bata at talagang tuwang-tuwa at enjoy din ang mga ito habang sumasabay na nakikikanta at sayawan sa mga naging performance ni Sarah G at kanyang mister na si Matteo Guidicelli. Sa iba pang bidyong na ibahagi ay makikita din na super nag-enjoy din ang mag-asawang Sarah Geronimo at Matteo Guidicelli sa Kids Landers Magical Moments kung saan ay halos hindi nga mawala ang mga ngiti nila habang masayang nakikipag-bonding sa mga bata. Narito panuurin natin ang mga kaganapan sa Landers Magical Moments nitong Sabado.
We are off to Bacolod for Landers Kiddie Show. Baby, you wanna say hi to Bacolod?
Ciao, Bacolod! Siya!
Siya Bacolod. It's a nice day. Good morning. Good morning. It's a nice afternoon, morning. It's rainy, so we're going to Bacolod. See you tomorrow sa Landers Landers Bacolod.
Galing ah.
This is the land of Dan Rev. So Dan Rev's gonna take us tonight. Mag-clubbing kami sa Bacolod tonight. Alright. The vlog continues. So this is Marion and Shaq Lagman. Look. And the wife and I, we're on full-on Uniqlo outfits. You like our Uniqlo outfits, be?
Oo, tempa.
We're gonna eat chicken inasal.
Land of that.
Are you excited for Bacolod?
Oo naman.
And tonight we're gonna go. Dan will take care of us. We're gonna have a family dinner with the Shoshons. And tomorrow, Landers. What do you want to say to the Shoshons?
Looking forward to meeting you, Shoshons. The Shoshon family.
Alright, ciao.
Alright! Mateo, or whatever you like. Or you can even call me Landers if you like, okay? Thank you very much, Landers! Bacolod! God bless each and every one of you!
Dream big! Kasi next time kayo naman ang kakanta dito.
Who wants to be a singer? Who wants to be a singer?
Yan. And you will become a star like Kuya Mateo.
A star like Ate Sarah.
Actually, lahat naman tayo ay mga stars. Pakita mo yung sayo mo lang. Ba't pababa? Ba't pababa, baby? Salamat po!
Thank you very much, Landers! Bacolod, maraming salamat to each and every one of you guys. Did you enjoy our Tala? Well, that's so nice to hear you guys sing along with Tala and Kilometro. And of course, Sarah has a new song.
Ah, yes! I have a new song with SB19!
Do you know the title?
Alam nila lang.
Umaaligid.
Pero lagi i-invite din natin.
Nasulat na rin lahat Sa last, put your hands up! When naring i-google ang lahat. Baby, sing! Bakit di nga maiba? Kasi mukhang paulit-ulit na parang di naniniwala. Sa mga taong puro salita, nakita ko sa iyong mukha. Nasawang-sawa ka na sa pangkukula. Kaya ang gagawin na lang, ibawa naman. Put your hands up! Sa'yo, ang aking nadarama. Para sa iyo, pagmamahal lang sa'yo. Wala nang sasabihin, pero everybody, Bacolod, sing! Lola! And then Sarah's favorite is the piyaya of Bacolod.
At nandito din, tiga dito din sila Dan.
Yes.
Yan, ang family ni Dan nandito. Si Oson family. Hi, dito.
Do you guys know, kanina pa kami nagdan ng Dan ng Dan. Do you know who Dan is?
Dan on stage.
Okay, Dan, where are you? He's there hiding. Dan is responsible of taking Sarah's photos. Everything you see on Sarah's page, that's from Dan.
Say hi naman, Kuya Dan.
Kuya Dan!
Yeah.
This afternoon, he's Dinosaur Dan. Say hello, Dinosaur Dan!
Hello, Dan. Ay, Dan tuloy.
Dan ako. Do you want more? Are you sure? Lola, do you want more? Yes, baby.
My next song. Let's,
The most magical person in the whole entire world. She is the voice of the universe. A superstar. A super idol. My super wife. Landers, are you ready? Please welcome the pop star royalty, Sarah G. Sarah G. Sarah G. Sarah G. DJ. Sarah G. Sarah G.
Ako pala I want to introduce myself again. I am Ate Sarah. Let's spell my name nga.
S. Can you spell Ate Sarah's name? S. Yes. I told you Bacolod knows it all. Bacolod's the best. Because
Sorry.